Hi there guys, welcome to Email Autoresponder Training Series lesson number 9. So in today's lesson, we're going to talk about how exactly do we actually tag our subscribers in our Aweber account. Now, what is the use of tagging subscribers in the first place? Well, Autoresponder is not just meant to send emails per se. It's also meant for you to actually segment your list according to certain conditions or certain criteria that you wish to set up for your subscribers. So let me give you an example. For example, in this list that I have, which is called HBA list, right? If I go over to my subscribers list over here, and I click on any one of my subscriber, all right, now you can see that this portion called text already appear. All right, so you can actually add different tags. Like for example, you can call this lesson. All right, just press the enter key, and this tag will actually go into this particular subscriber's name. So let me just erase away this tag first. Okay, in case you wish to send any emails pertaining to certain people that you have tagged them on certain conditions, like for example, you might actually want to send an email only to certain specific group of people that you have tagged them, whereby they have actually engaged with your emails. Then you can actually put a tag here and put it down there as engaged. Alright, you can also do so. Okay, so this is one way of doing list segmentation within your autoresponder. Alright, so tagging is very important for you to learn, and if there's anything that you want to know, please drop down in the message below this video. Alright, and I'll see you in the next recording. Take care.